Infoday 1 is finally here. Chammel backers around the world are rejoicing by embracing video colors of positivity through their HD TVs. But what is Infoday and what is its true meaning? Let's learn together what an Infoday is and why it matters to everyone and everything on this planet.
Infoday is a scheduled temporal milestone in the 11,000-year charter of InfoChammel, a global private access for public service television network. There are 1,000 Infodays in the active lifetime of this Posi Info TV service, an equivalent of 11,000 Earth years. Each Infoday occurs outside of traditional timekeeping mechanisms and lasts 4,017.75 days on Earth. This is the case using both the standard 24.25-hour day model as well as the new experimental proprietary 25-hour Christmas Island time zone-based InfoChammel Time Blasters model. On May 15, 2012, independent television network InfoChammel unveiled its public TV service to the world, marking the start of a revolutionary journey that began on Infoday 0. The network's ICCS video colors system is specifically designed to support 1 million video colors per Infoday and adds an additional 1 million colors of bandwidth each Infoday. Once 1,000 Infodays has been reached, it will be known as Infoday B, which arrives in May of 13,012. This date will be the end of InfoChammel's programming megaday. By the time Infoday B is reached, InfoChammel's teleboard-based HC2K Technolock system will be capable of displaying a staggering 1 billion simultaneous Posi active ICCS video colors to its viewers and subscribers, taking their experience to a whole new level. Channel backers should note the 1 million additional ICCS video colors will be released intermittently during the entire duration of Infoday 1, which completes its cycle in the Gregorian year of 2034. It's possible that some post-double mega video colors may be pre-released before their scheduled time, as what occurred when InfoChammel publicly released 5 post-mega colors before the completion of Infoday 0 in a systems pre-check leading up to the Infoday 1 event.
Well, that's it in a nutshell. Welcome to a brand new Infoday. A time to celebrate the power of positivity in video colors, reject harmful, distracting grimformation, and embrace the power that Posi-injected HD TV can bring to a world deserving of maximum satisfaction. The very happiest of Infodays ever to you. And may all the greatest colors fill your screens in the Infodays ahead. Hail Ferner.